Good morning, Cougars. I'm Will Larson.
Yo soy Jose Oran.
And we're back with another episode of
Cougar Roundup. Hey Will, guess what?
Okay.
Esta semana fue la asamblea del mes hispano.
Jose, Ella, and Jackson were there to represent more cultures.
Thanks, Will. Hispanic Heritage Month is celebrated from September 15th to October 15th. Latinos of Tomorrow held an assembly celebrating with pride.
Hispanic Heritage Month means a lot to me because I get to share my culture with everyone else, and especially here at our school, we don't really have a large Hispanic population, so it would be just lovely for me to share my culture with people that I really don't know.
Hispanic Heritage Month means a lot to me because it means we get to celebrate Hispanic culture and the importance of it.
Our purpose was just more than anything to tell people what our culture is and sharing it with everyone in our school, because I understand we don't really have a large Hispanic population in our school, so it was for us, we were you know what, it would be really cool if we just make an assembly and we just share our culture with everyone else.
I think people should care because diversity is really important when it comes to a community, and when there's diversity, there's a lot of new creative ideas.
I hope that everyone liked the assembly. Honestly, we put a lot of effort into it, and so far we really like the way it turned out, and hopefully you guys like it too.
With pride, Latinos of Tomorrow put their best to show. Back to you, Will.
The assembly looks like it was a really cool experience.
You know what else was a cool experience? Barrel racing. Brody and Natalie galloped over to Paige Metzger's farm to learn more about it.
Thanks, Will and Jose. I'm down here at Shim Farms with Deacon to talk to Paige Metzger about her barrel racing career.
I have been barrel racing for 6 years, and my inspiration is a guy named Dean Rogers. He's 84 and he still barrel races. I have 3 barrels, and you can start either going to the right or the left. I go to the right, so you go to the right barrel first, and you turn that, you make 1 right turn and 2 left turns. You normally practice all the time, but I practice at least once or twice a week during the summer. During the school year, it's a little harder. I do the county fair every year, and I won all of the racing events, so I got a belt buckle. Yeah, I hope to keep doing barrel racing in the future. Hope to get better and get faster horses.
At KUGR, we all wish the best for Paige. But back to the studio.
Thank you guys. Speaking of competing, volleyball season is coming to an end.
Levon and Eli hit the court at senior night.
Thanks, Jose. Now in Northwest Athletic news, volleyball recently had their senior night, and we were there to capture all of the game's highlights. That's all for Ocho. Come and show your support for varsity volleyball at Substate October 26th. Now back to you in the studio.
Coming up this week is our fall play, Shuttersome. You can watch Shuttersome this Thursday, Friday, and Saturday at 7 p.m. Hope to see you there. Well, Cougars, that's all for this week.
Tune in next week for another episode of
Cougar Roundup!